Penfolds Wines is a famous wine producer in Australia. It's commonly understood that bottles of wine have different value, from a few dollars to many thousands of dollars for a single bottle. So producers of quality wine jealously guard their brand. They want to know the only wine that comes out of their bottles is their wine. Elliott ran a pub and sold bulk wine. Customers brought empty bottles and he filled them with the bulk wine. Some bottles were stamped Penfolds. The bottles also said they remained the property of Penfolds and should be returned. Was Elliott engaged in a conversion of those bottles by filling them with wine other than Penfolds wine and returning them to the customer? The High Court split, but the majority said no. Justice Dixon gave the leading judgment and he said, "What wrong to possession or property on the part of the respondent do these facts disclose? I know of none. It cannot be trespass because there is no infringement upon the possession of anyone. It cannot be conversion because there is no act and no intent inconsistent with the appellant's right to possession and nothing to impair or destroy it. The essence of conversion is dealing with a chattel in a manner repugnant to the immediate right of possession of the person who has the property in the chattel. It may take the form of a disposal of the goods, of the destruction or change of the nature and character of the thing, as for example pouring water into wine, or of refusal to deliver. An intent to do that which would deprive the true owner of his immediate right to possession or impair it may be said to form the essential ground of the tort. There is nothing in the course followed by the respondent in supplying wine to his customers who brought bottles to receive it involving any deprival or impairment of property in the bottles, that is, of the immediate right to possession. Penfolds put the bottles out there, and Elliott wasn't stopping them from claiming the bottles back. He wasn't breaking the bottles or changing them or selling them. He wasn't interfering with Penfolds' rights at all. From this case we learn that a conversion requires conduct which denies the rights of possession of an item to a person entitled to immediate possession of that item.